today we are
going to mall to watch the Magic Alien.
yeah we are going to watch a movie. कोई मिल के देखने जा रहे हैं हम. वो भी फिर से थिएटर पे लगी हुई है तो हम वही देखने जा रहे हैं. मैं अरिश्का को लेके जा रही हूँ बिकॉज सैटरडे तो उसकी हॉलीडे होती है एंड वो हमारा थोड़ा सा टाइम. I need to throw all this, ignore the mess and yeah we are हम दोनों को कोल्ड हो गया है but yeah we are going for the movie
And I'm with my auntie and my dad.
and I'm getting ready. Arishka is all ready. Show your outfit.
Have to just and look this bow like was made for me.
Yeah, I got this bow for her from the mall the other day.
I'm wearing it today.
And what about your bag?
My bag is butterfly and is a rainbow butterfly. My dad brought for me.
This I got for you. तो ये वाला रूम मेरा हमेशा गंदा ही रहता है. नो मैटर मैं उसको कितना भी ऑर्गेनाइज करूँ कितना भी सेट करूँ बिकॉज न्यू स्टफ आता है मैं फैला देती हूँ सब. एंड लेट्स
I make videos of it.
व्हाट.
I make videos of it.
यस एंड आपकी नोजी आ रही है. नीड टू क्लीन इट first before making the video. So let's get ready.
And I am helping Bua.
Yeah, she's helping me. We have the Mama Earth Glow Serum BB Cream with vitamin C and turmeric. This is what I'm going to be using. I have natural shade. मेरे पास अरिश्का के फेवरेट लिप एंड चीक टिंट्स भी है जो अरिश्का भी कभी कभी यूज करती है. राइट
Yes.
आप वहाँ से ओपन वाला लेके आओ जाओ.
And I have a wash.
Yeah, you go and get this. Okay, so let's talk about this BB cream. Let's apply this and show you guys how they work. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. तो अभी हम मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं. No, not this one. ये वापस रख के आओ. So this is what the BB cream looks like. This is vitamin C which is very good for your skin. Helps brighten the skin. And this is hydrating, lightweight and a glow serum BB cream है. So this is supposed to give you a nice glow as well. Let's try it and show you guys how this feels. And this is Made Safe certified. SPF भी है इसमें 30++ and natural shade. Oh wow, it feels nice. You can see this
And it's
glow.
And it's so light with glitter.
It's lightweight and a perfect everyday product.
And it's light.
Yeah, very light. You can see and बहुत ही pretty सा glow दे रहा है. Perfect everyday product है for office and college.
So pretty glow.
Yeah, so pretty glow. And I think ठीक जा रहा है ये वाला shade. You can also use a brush if you want.
And blend it all.
Yeah, you can blend it out.
With your fingers or a brush.
Yeah, and this doesn't give you a lot of coverage. You can see ये बहुत ही sheer coverage दे रहा है. And this is SPF also, so it's going to protect from the UVA and UVB rays also. And lightweight तो है ही and oily भी नहीं है. अच्छी fragrance है इसकी and बिल्कुल हल्का सा मैंने अप्लाई किया है बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ही लाइट सा चाहिए, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. एंड थोड़ी सी मैं स्पॉट्स पे लगा के दिखा देती हूँ आपको. एंड नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई वांट टू शो यू गाइज इज द लिप एंड चीक टिंट. विच कलर you like the most? This one, beat it red. So this is how it looks. The color is beat it red lip and cheek tint
And
as
I
well.
also have two of it.
2 shades है ना आपके पास? Yeah. So let me just
One
apply.
chocolate and one cherry one.
So it blends very easily and इसमें भी vitamin C है which makes it very hydrating and you can see the glow that it's giving me. Now this can be applied to your cheeks.
Or your lips.
Yeah, to the lips, to the eyes. कहीं भी आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हो. तो ऑन द गो के लिए दिस इज द परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट. ऑल्सो मामत के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एज आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन आर फ्री फ्रॉम हार्मफुल केमिकल्स, टॉक्सिन फ्री है, नो पैराबेंस, मेड सेफ सर्टिफाइड है एंड ऑफलाइन प्रेजेंस भी है. इनके पास अच्छे अच्छे इनिशिएटिव्स हैं तो आप ऑनलाइन ही नहीं इनको ऑफलाइन भी शॉप कर सकते हो. एंड सारी डिटेल्स मैं मेंशन कर दूंगी. एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव प्लांट्स गुड्स इनिशिएटिव वेर इन दे लिंक योर टू अ ट्रीट दैट द प्लांट. तो बहुत सारे प्लांट्स भी ये प्लांट करते हैं एंड मामत के ऐप से आप शॉप कर सकते हो. यू गेट अमेजिंग डिस्काउंट्स एंड offers there. You can download the Mamaearth app and you can always use my discount coupon code which is Arshiya 2023 for 20% off at mamaearth.in and I'll keep all the details in the description box and on the screen as well. So
And you remember my Barbie makeup look?
do you guys remember her Barbie makeup look? It's also on my Instagram page
And also on YouTube.
Yeah, and we are getting late, and you can see बहुत ही light सा. You can just keep on building the pigment. Yeah, you can build the pigment. Apply कर सकते हो आप. और you want to apply some little on the lips?
Yes.
Yes. This much is enough for the babies. Oh yeah,
And
that's.
let me tell you my
जाओ जाओ जाओ,
shade.
दादी बुला रही है. चलो वो हमें छोड़ के चली जाए. बोलो हम आ रहे हैं 2 minutes में. जल्दी बोल के आओ. Okay guys, so that's all. We are now going, and मैंने कुछ भी हेयर स्टाइलिंग नहीं की, कुछ मेकअप नहीं किया, because on the go हमें जल्दी से जाना है. So let's go, let's leave, and I'll take you guys along. Okay, see you.
I want to tell you something. I have 2 shades of it. One chocolate one and one cherry one.
Okay.
And I want to tell you, and she is a very naughty dog.
Yeah, she's a very naughty girl. She's stubborn and naughty. So,
And she was so always protecting us. मुझे पता नहीं क्या होता है वो word.
what? Entertain?
नहीं, दो किसी तो तंग करते हैं.
जो किसी को तंग करता है. Irritate. हाँ, irritate. Okay, तो perfect everyday look है ये. जब आपको कुछ करना भी नहीं है, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू वांट टू लुक अ लिटिल प्रेजेंटेबल, आपको सिर्फ ये 2 प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए एंड यूल बी गुड टू गो. आई हैव अनदर शेड विच इज कॉल्ड कोको न्यूड. इट्स अ ब्राउनिश शेड है, एंड यू कैन सी हाउ मच वी हैव यूज्ड इट. इसका मैं आपको थोड़ा सा स्वॉच दे दूँ. दिस इज अ परफेक्ट कॉन्टोर शेड. Then we have this shade called rose pink. This is what rose pink looks like. Are you going to behave like this? Alright guys, so I am ready. और मैं outfit दिखाती हूँ. And I have these pink pants. I have these Zara. Aisha,
ऊपर चढ़
साइड हटो ना. आगे से हटोगे जब भी तो मैं दिख पाऊंगी. प्लेस क्योंकि मैं दिखाने आई हूँ. I have these pants, this shirt, and I have these golden slippers पहने हैं. And Arshiya is carrying this bag, and bag मैंने decide नहीं किया, मैंने बाल बांध लिया because oily हो रहे हैं. And this is how my makeup looks, very natural makeup. And मैंने tie कर लिया अपने hair, and बहुत ही simple सा मैं ऐसे ही जाऊंगी because मेरा मन नहीं है proper ready होने का. And let's go. Hi everybody, तो वो कपड़े मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छे लगे, so I have changed again. These are the trousers, slippers, and this is the top. And yeah, this is my OOTD. Let's go.
We are going to mall.
Yes, so we are.
Mediterranean.
Yes.
Jadoo.
This is looking pretty. The other outfit was not good. Faded kind of outfit, right? This is more colorful, no? And how do you like my golden bag? Yeah, we are twinning now. See, blue, white. Yes, the bags are also the
But
same.
we are the same look.
Yeah, we have the same look. Iku, how did you like the movie? What?
I like it.
You liked it? So we are not watching the full movie, or we are going games now, huh? But you liked it or no?
I liked it.
You liked it?
We will
But
watch
you
the
got-
full movie at home.
Yeah, and you got a little scared, Jadoo, right?